Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm making a leftover turkey curry. Leftover Christmas or Sunday roast turkey cooked with onions, garlic, spices and chillies, perfect for all the family to enjoy. Before I begin, please remember to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up and click that notification button. In a pan on a low to medium heat, add the vegetable oil, bay leaf, cassia bark, crushed cardamom, onion, fenugreek leaves and salt, and fry until they begin to bubble and the onions become soft. In with the garlic and ginger paste and the watered down tomato puree. Stir through and cook for 30 to 60 seconds until the strong smell disappears. Now add the mixed curry powder, coriander, cumin, turmeric and chilli powder. Stir well and allow to simmer until the oil separates. It's fine to add some water or base at any time to keep the spices from drying out. Pour in half the heated water or curry base, combine gently, then add the turkey slices. Gently coat in the frying spices. Allow it to reduce by half before adding the rest of the water or curry base. Allow it to reduce on high until the sauce is the consistency you require. 1 minute before serving, add the lemon juice, garam masala and most of fresh chopped coriander and combine gently. Stir through and serve sprinkled with remaining coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.